Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to install WordPress from cPanel in Namecheap. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my Namecheap course within my university for free. Inside this Namecheap course, you'll learn how to get started with Namecheap shared hosting, how to manage your website and email account, also how to optimize your website performance inside the Namecheap and other videos. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com. Link in the description. Without any further ado, let's see how to install WordPress from cPanel in Namecheap. Installing WordPress in cPanel inside Namecheap is easy. The first step is click on Go to cPanel. Once inside cPanel, click on WordPress Manager on your left. Now click on this Install button. And in this page, make sure to always use HTTPS for your WordPress site. Select your domain name. And for the WordPress version, I always make sure to select the latest one. Give your site a name and a description. Enter your desired admin username. Make sure to use a strong password. Enter your email address. And from here you can select your site language. For these WordPress plugins, personally, I prefer to have a clean or a fresh WordPress copy. For that, I will deselect all of these plugins. And inside Advanced Options, you can give your database a name. For the automated backups, I prefer it to be once a day. And click on Install. And after a moment, my WordPress was installed successfully. To access it, just click on this link. And that's it. This is how to install WordPress in cPanel inside the Namecheap. If you learned something out of this video, make sure to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.